So we have got supply. We are going to connect the leads to AC, and we are going to check the wave, AC wave onto the cathode ray oscilloscope. I'm going to use channel 2. And channel 2 here, auto, doesn't want to do anything. Oh, yeah. So the way we are going to align is horizontal positioning is going to be sideways like so. Vertical positioning, if it wasn't at the center, we will change the vertical positioning from here. At the moment, it's measuring the RMS voltage. No, maximum voltage is 14.4 and the volts per division is 5 volts. So we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divisions peak to peak gives us 30 volts, which is approximately the voltage. And looking at times per division, it's 10 milliseconds. So we have got sine wave starts from here, goes up to here, 1, 2. That gives us 2 times 10, 20 milliseconds. Okay, so we could actually have all the values measured by clicking on measure button here, and then we are looking for voltage, and this round button allows you to move up and down in the scale. So this is a minimum, peak to peak, and average, and RMS. So if I'm looking for RMS value, I'm going to just click on that and it will give me the RMS value. Didn't give it. Okay, let's actually display all the values. So if I click display all, it's going to give me all the values. Now they might mean I have to adjust the scale. These are showing us the values with just asterisks because we have selected channel 1. Actual connection is to channel 2. So might as well go to channel 2 there, and that way we will see all those values. When all the values are not displayed, you can individually select the values. For example, we are looking at peak to peak, maximum. Let's try see if we can get RMS value. So again, I'm going to go voltage and rotate the button till I get to rotate this knob till I get to RMS, then press that button and you can see RMS value. If I get rid of the menu now, RMS value is 10.2.